This is China's tallest skyscraper with a total investment of $2 billion. It also ranks as the world's third tallest skyscraper. Construction began on November 29, 2008, and the overall construction work was completed on March 12, 2016, spanning 8 years. The most astounding aspect is, of course, its height, standing at 632 meters, primarily used for offices, hotels, businesses, and tourism facilities. The main building consists of 127 above-ground floors. Standing atop for a sightseeing experience feels like owning the entire city of Shanghai. Even the renowned Oriental Pearl Tower pales in comparison. This iconic structure in Shanghai has a spiral rising exterior with an opening that twists from the bottom to the top, making its appearance truly one of a kind in China and the world. The foundation pit of the Shanghai Tower adopts an overall plan that combines the upward construction of the main building with the downward construction of the podium. The pit is quadrilateral with a side length of about 200 meters. The circular pit outside the main building has a diameter of 123.4 meters and a digging depth of 31 meters. The retaining structure uses an underground continuous wall with a thickness of 1.2 meters and a depth of 50 meters. The large base plate is 6 meters thick and constructed through open cut and upward construction, and its architectural construction can withstand a magnitude 10 earthquake. It is said that 90% of out-of-town tourists visiting Shanghai make it a point to experience the Shanghai Tower. This is not just a skyscraper, it's an invitation to elevate your Shanghai experience. So, are you ready to rise above the ordinary and be part of Shanghai's skyline saga? The Shanghai Tower awaits. It's not just a building, it's an adventure.